Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add an RFID card to an Apple Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. You need to follow the following steps. Firstly, download the app provided by the card issuer, like your employer or school, and sign in with your credentials. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to sync your RFID card information within the app. Then tap the Add to Apple Wallet button when prompted. Now unlock your Apple device and open the Apple Wallet application. Then tap on the plus button, usually located in the top right corner, to begin adding a new card. Lastly, if your device has NFC capabilities, the app may prompt you to hold the RFID card near the device to capture the card details automatically. So that's basically how you can add RFID card to an Apple Wallet. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.